Good morning. Class Standard 3, Subject History. Chapter number 9, The Phoenicians. Page number 57. Listen carefully. Now, I will start reading. The Phoenicians were people of ancient times. We remember them because the present alphabets of most of the languages in the world have originated from the Phoenician alphabetic script. The Phoenicians lived in a small country called Phoenicia on the eastern shore of the Mediterranean Sea. Canaan lay to the south of it. At present, it comprises the area of Lebanon with Syria and Israel. Most of the Phoenicians earned their living by fishing. They knew how to preserve fish by drying. They were very good at building ships. They traveled to many places. They traveled great distances to trade in fish and other goods. They were adventurous and great traders. They exchanged their goods with the Egyptians and the Cornish people. Thus, they grew very rich. The Phoenicians invented many things. The most important of all was their script, for which they invented an alphabet. In fact, the Phoenician alphabet was the origin of the alphabets many countries use now. The Phoenician cities, Tyre and Sidon, were quite magnificent. The Hebrews living in Canaan were their good neighbors. The capital city of Phoenicians was Jerusalem. The Phoenicians traders brought gold, silver, tin, beautiful cloth and many other goods and precious things. Matter number 1, fill in the blanks. The Chinese made a tasty drink called using tea leaves. The Chinese made, answer in, the Chinese made a tasty drink called tea. T-E-A, using tea leaves. The Chinese made a tasty drink called tea using tea leaves. Silkworms are bred on trees. Answer in, silkworms are bred on mulberry. M-U-L-B-E-R-R-Y. Mulberry trees. Silkworms are bred on mulberry trees. Was the Chinese goddess of light? Answer in, Xile. Xile was the Chinese goddess of light. X-I-L-E. Xile. Xile was the Chinese goddess of light. The Phoenicians knew how to fish. Answer in, the Phoenicians knew how to preserve. P-R-E-S-E-R-V-E. Preserve fish. The Phoenicians knew how to preserve fish. The Phoenician was the origin of most of the alphabets. The Phoenicians alphabet A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T alphabet was the origin of most of the alphabets. The Phoenician alphabet was the origin of most of the alphabets. Right? True, false. People prefer to use Chinese paper. True. The Phoenicians helped the Hebrews. False. The Chinese did not grow crops. False. The capital city of Hebrews was Jerusalem. False. The Chinese people were experts in making fine pottery. True. Answer the question. What did the Chinese use to make ink? Gum and soot. GUM gum and SWT soot. Name the Chinese ruler under whose rule the Great Wall of China built. C. Huang Ti. Which river is known as the Sorrow of China? Huang Ho. Where did the Phoenicians live? Phoenicians live in a small country called Phoenicia. Where did the Chinese civilization emerge? The Chinese civilization emerged along the banks of the river Huanghe. Write short note, page number 52. Gifts of China. The Chinese were mainly farmers. They grew wheat, rice and millet. They reared animals to use them for farming, traveling and food. They had learned to use bronze. They produced a number of things for the first time and learned many skills. These things or inventions benefited the world a lot. That is why we call their inventions the gifts of China. The Chinese discovered silk and are also credited with the invention of paper, the art of printing, porcelain and gunpowder. Thank you.